speckled bird is the Bible, representing the great church of God. These ain't meant to lower standards. They watch every move that she makes. They long to find fault with her teaching, but really they find no mistake. I am glad I have learned of her weakness. I am glad that my name is on her book, for I want to be never failing on the face of my Savior you love. When he comes as descending from heaven on a cloud that he writes in his word,